Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a tier list for Undertale characters. I would like to thank Tier Maker and the person who made this one, called literally every Undertale character tier list maker. Anyway, let's start. Frisk. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh gosh. Frisk. No offense, it's an A tier. A tier. Flowey. I'm part of the Flowey fan club. Toriel, I think you'll see. Napstablook. I'll give him an A tier. Most people give him an F tier, but we love Napstablook. The dummy? Is it? No, this isn't Mad Dummy. This is just normal dummy. I don't know. I'll give him E. Frogget. C tier. Whimsun. F. Multiple F. Migosp, sorry. Just for the little dance he does, he's going to C tier. Luke's D, because his design's kind of weird. Papyrus. How could I not rank the Great Papyrus in S tier? Okay. Is this Vegetoid, or is this like the hard mode Vegetoid? No, this is just normal Vegetoid. D. D. Sans. No offense to like everyone who loves Sans, but he's a bit overrated. Snowdrake. He'll go with Sans. They both make puns. Ice Cap. Well, they're all the same, just they got the different hat colors, so they're gonna go with the dummy. Nice Cream guy. He's a bit overlooked. C tier. Doggo. D. Lesser Dog. Lesser Dog's got to be an A tier. No comment. Snowman. No E tier. Jerry. This monstrosity. No. The doggo. There's Doggery and Doggeressa separate. This one's Doggery. And then this one's Doggeressa. Gift Trot. C tier. Glide. I mean, I've never encountered him, but I mean, he seems like a cool character. Greater Dog. I mean, you can go with the other doggos. This bunny. The bunny shopkeeper. I don't know why, but I've never liked it. Innkeeper. And this guy. I don't know, he made me laugh, so he goes in B. E tier for this little bunny person. Ooh, Monster Kid. Monster Kid's pretty good. He deserves an A. The Present Bear. I don't know, he like... Politics Bear. He can go with Present Bear. These two got to be in the same tier, because, like, I think they're friends. They can both go in C tier. C tier. The Slimes? E. They're all going in E. But this one, are we sure this one deserves even a ranking? I mean, like, this one doesn't even have a face, or like anything. Oh, I love Ice Wolf. Like, he's not like, I don't mean like that. I mean, like, I think he's an interesting character. Apparently, the ice he throws is to cool the core, so. Library Keeper? Sorry, the Library Keeper. Yeah. Luke's. No, wait. No, for a second I thought that was Luke's. No, this is different to Luke's, right? Is that like a baby Luke's? I've honestly forgotten. I didn't go with D. This. Grillby. Grillby's okay. You can go with Sam's. This fish. I I don't know, D tier. This, bunny. Yeah, but we're not going to talk about him. This guy. Let's see. Oh, the bird can go with him. I've never liked this guy, I'm gonna be honest. Undyne. I feel like if I put her in D, everyone's gonna hate me. Yeah, I did it. I just realized I ranked Frogget higher than Undyne. I don't know. It's my choice. My choice. I'll put Undyne up one more. One more. This guy likes stars. I don't know. No. Just no. Washua. B. Oh, Gerson. Gerson. S tier. Literally not want to go in S tier. Yeah, that's S tier. Shiren. Annoying dog. Dun 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 dun. Gaster. Well, we can't actually prove he's Gaster. He's the mystery man, but just for that, I'm gonna put him in B tier. B tier. Oh, I kind of like this slime. He's really nice. He carries you. I don't know. He can go and see. Onion San. I like Onion San. A tier. Mad Dummy. He can go in S tier. I feel like people are gonna hate me for all these rankings. Bird that carries you over a disproportionately small gap. I don't really care about the snails, sorry. I like this one though. This one can go a bit higher. I don't think it's even got the full snail. River person? Just for his song and dance and his weird creepy eyes, this mushroom guy can go here. Temmie. Well, I mean, yeah, okay, S tier. Mold Small? It's just Mold Small, but like big, so I don't really care. Goner Kid? I mean, he's a bit more interesting than Monster Kid, because he tells us about Gaster. But I mean, like, still a B tier. Alphys. I've just found out that her name is actually Alphys, not Alphys. So, yeah. Metaton. Oh yes, darlings. Yeah, no, that, okay. Vulcan? Really? E. Sunderplane. I don't know, I kind of like Sunderplane. He's pretty good. I don't even know who this guy is. E tier. Yeah, you're just gonna go in E tier. I like the look of his shades. I don't know. The school kids, the flame school kids. I mean, this one can go in E. This one can go a bit higher because it's got a cap and it's purple. So, yeah. Heats Flames Man. Yes, I remembered your name. What? He's just Vulcan, but with lava coming out of his head. Oh no, I've never liked this hot person. Pyrope. E, E. These guys, I've never really understood what they were trying to tell you and why the words were highlighted, but yeah. Oh, I like this guy because he got a dress in the pacifist. I like this guy because I feel kind of bad for him that he had to buy Muffet's donuts. Muffet! Oh ho ho! Yeah, people are gonna hate me for that, but no, sorry, don't like her. So sorry. Hey, RGO 1 and 2. They'll also go in E. This was actually I found this guy in my first playthrough, and on my first playthrough I didn't actually know about Gaster, so I was like, what is this guy talking about? So I don't know. D. I don't know how many S tiers. I like this guy. He's got a piece of Gaster. A. This guy can go. A. Bratty. And then Caddy can go a bit higher. I don't know, I never really liked the design of Bratty. But I don't really like Caddy either. This person, they're just a person at the hotel. I mean, like, what more do you want? Hotel receptionist, thought it was funny that they were hand, so, yeah. These guys, the elevator people who are just like, as a slime, I feel outraged that I'm in D. Yeah. I don't really know what this thing was even meant to be, but... Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Where'd it go? Did it disappear? What? Oh, no, it just went in E tier. No, this guy deserves to be in C. C. This guy, D. Snowdrake's father. He can go with Sans. Where I didn't put him there, did I? Where are you? Where did he disappear? Actually, what? I think I'm just not good at this stuff. Where are you? No, not an F tier. You don't deserve to be an F tier. C tier. C tier. Mouse guy. E. Oh. Sorry, Bigger Pants. Yeah. This is just gonna be me going, eh. Yeah, no, never really cared about that. Mettaton EX. I'm just gonna put it with normal Mettaton, because all that Mettaton EX has is some more flashiness. Oh, I don't think, oh yeah, okay, you can go a bit ahead of Mettaton, even though you're like literally the same as Asgore. I like the amalgamates, but they deserve a C. Oh, but this one though. Ooh, I forgot his name. But I remember that the first time I did a true pacifist, I liked that guy. So yeah, these guys, all the amalgamates apart from that one, are just gonna go in the same one. Asriel in his normal form is A. Then Asriel in his God of Hyper Death form. Yeah, there too. But this guy is Asriel. Is it really okay? Where are you, Asriel? Come out. Well, they just go to F tier if you suddenly accidentally let go. I guess. Ew. Yeah, no, don't like that one. Clam Girl. I don't know. Gonna Clam Girl. Thanks for warning us about Deltarune. You go in A. Childrake. No more words need to be said. Undyne the Undying. You caused me so much pain. You can go in D. Metaton Neo. You can go a bit Metaton EX. Chara. Some people calling her Kara. I don't really know how you pronounce it, but that's her name. Mew Mew. Yeah, I don't know. A tier. That battle was kind of hard, actually. Hard mode enemies. Moldessa. No. I have actually forgotten this guy's name, so we can go in B. I've also forgotten this person's name, so they can go in that one. I feel like I've done some of these wrong. Frisk should go in S. So should Naps work. And, Blessed Dog. Toriel S tier. Yeah. Alphys S tier, I guess. Metaton in his normal form deserves to be S tier. But don't go hating on me, I'm not really a big fan of his other two forms. Any other ones I think I've ranked wrong? Well, let me think about this. We got, yeah, all these guys deserve to be an F. Aaron. I agree with Temmie, I don't like horses or muscles. Yeah. Well, do these guys deserve to be ranked higher? I don't know, Onion San can go in S. Because of his band in the future, the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Yes. Sam's, I think, an A tier, along with Snowdrake and Groby. Thunderplane. Ribbis, an A tier, I guess. Washu still B. Mystery Man, aka Gaster, yeah, B. Glide deserves A because he's the fundraiser one. This guy, yeah. So this is my tier list. In F we got all these. E, all these. D, all these. C, all these. B, all these. A, all these. S, all these. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.